Yeah, my name is Halim. I come from Nalmangla. So I came to know that the training is held for a laptop chip level training. Since I was interested in chip level training, so I came to training for here. Since the Manal Foundation has given 45 days free training, so it was very helpful for us to learn. So here we learned chip level training from up to PGH2 SOC level, everything. Prakash sir and Sarvanand sir has taught us in all the chip level training and removing ICs and reprogramming of the chips. So it was very helpful for us to learn. And currently, I am working as a profession. So after some months, so I will be starting my business. Thanks for Manal Foundation for giving this wonderful opportunity. Since it's a 45 days training, so for the poor and for backward people, it's very helpful for learning. So this is a golden opportunity to the people. Thank you.